Good morning to all. Hello everyone. This is our day 24. Welcome to day 24. Do you know where I am? I am in park. You see there lots of flower. There is so much beautiful flowers. You see that. So today we will talk about law of attraction. Means what is law of attraction? That day also we talk about subconscious mind. These both topics are relatable, but today we will talk about law of attraction. That is, uh, like attracts like. If you want to attract something towards you, then yes, you want to think about that. Means like if you want to learn English, if you want to become fluent in English, just daily think about that. If you are thinking about that, then yes, it will happen and miracle will happen, and one day you will be become fluent in English. So I want to say that most of the people think that I don't want to do that, I don't want to do that, like that. They just say like that, and they just thinking that why I'm doing that, I don't want to do that, like that. But you want to say that yes, I want to do that and I'm doing that. Just say like that, so that it will go in your subconscious mind. We will see that day that what is subconscious mind. Okay, so I am repeating some sentences, so you have to repeat with me that sentences. So that is, first sentence is, this is 5 most powerful sentence. If you want to become fluent in English or confident in English, then say this daily with me. Okay, first, I am practicing English daily. Yes, I am proud of myself that I am thinking in English. Next is, practice makes man perfect. As we all know that one quote, practice makes all man perfect. Next is, doing mistake is the part of learning. That is next our sentence. And that is our fourth sentence is, say that I am not stop practicing English. Okay, means before going to bed, just say these 5 things. And if you don't want to just say, you have to think it. If you think, if you do hard work, if you practice daily, then yes, you will also learn English and you will also start to talk in English. This is our law of attraction. And you know that one quote, अगर हम कुछ पाना चाहते हैं और उसे शिद्दत से चाहते हैं तो पूरी कायनात उसे हमसे मिलाने में लग जाएंगी. लाइक दैट यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट इन योर होल डे, एंड यस यू विल सी दैट. Means whatever you think, you will get that back in your life in future. So just try to think that yes, I'm doing practice, and yes, it will make sense. So you will see that where we are today in park. So this park is very much beautiful, you will see that. And yes, this is 8, I think this is 8, yes, this is 8:30 a.m. and I am here. You all see that there is so much greenery also, there is so much beautiful flowers also. Yes, so okay, this is our day 24, and you have to say this sentence with me, so that you will also improve your English and you will also become confident. I just say you in simple words what is law of attraction, and if you want to attract something towards you, then just try to say that things, means that sentence daily, so that you will also attract English towards you. Okay, so that's it for today. This is our day 24, and thank you, and please like, share and comment to my channel, and also subscribe so that you can get video daily. Thank you.